is Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys my mini unit study that I made for my preschooler. Today we're talking all about birds. What are eggs for?
To make baby birds.
Warm-blooded.
Yeah.
All birds have 2 legs,
Look at that
wings
one.
and feathers,
Oh, it's so
a beak or
cute.
bill, hot
Penguins
desert
don't look.
climates to oceans.
That one looks so cute.
5 centimeters or 2
so
inches
cute.
in
He's
length
a little
to
hummingbird.
the ostrich.
After learning about birds in general, we went on to learn about the birds' different types of beaks and how each bird had a different type of beak depending on what they ate. We gathered some household utensils and compared these utensils to the beaks the birds have. So that book is going to show us all about the different types of beaks, and then we're going to do a beak experiment using all these utensils to pretend to be different birds.
About What pika?
Let's see.
Flamingos.
So some beaks crush, some beaks peck. Okay, look, hooked beaks tear fish. Now look at this. See this? It's kind of like a spoon, right? Some beaks are like spoons. And some beaks filter out the water, like this. Yeah, they have filters, so they let the water out and they eat all the plants and fish that they want with their beaks.
And they should find a fish and then they should go like this.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So now we are going to look at all the different types of things that bugs eat, right?
Yeah.
We have
Berries?
insects.
Ooh. This is not an insect.
We have fish. Don't eat these. They're dirty. Everybody touch them.
Yeah,
We have nuts.
everybody touch peas?
Yeah. We have seeds. And we have berries.
Berries.
Now what I want you to do is you're going to use these different beaks to see which one is easiest to use as a beak. Okay? And you're going to fill your little bird tummy. That's your pretend bird tummy. Next, it was time for my daughter to do the part she has been waiting to do since she saw that little baggie of leaves and twigs and the egg. So a few days before we did this lesson, I took her out to the backyard and we collected a bunch of things from nature that we thought birds might use to make their nests. So I had her try to make a nest first with just her hands and explain how difficult it was and how birds only use their beaks to make nests. And then I decided to give her a little bowl and put some glue in it so she can make it a lot easier. Bird.
Then why won't everybody help her?
Well, because then everybody will get the food. Now we're gonna build a nest with all your stuff. Okay?
First egg.
Yeah. Birds build their nests using only their what? Their beaks. Do they have hands?
No.
Do they have fingers?
No.
Do they use their wings?
No.
They only use their mouths, their beaks. Could you make a nest using your mouth?
Like this.
Could you do it?
I need to do this.
Could you make a nest with your mouth and not your hands? No, I think it would be too hard, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if you can do it with your hands. Let's see if it's too hard to make it with your hands. Okay, you ready?
Trees are dancing while the spring's still here. They don't make haste cause they know what's coming. We try to wash away our broken years, but it's so hard in the cold summer.
Right,
You still are in the cold summer. When you still are in the cold summer.
She thought it would be a good idea to put her nest outside in case any birds wanted to make a nest in her little nest that she had made. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more upcoming videos.